Hi. Today, we are going to see everything you need to know about a two-car carport. We'll talk about the amount of space you should have and what type of carport is right for you. Also, stay until the end to know what budget you need. Let's go. Before we start, if you need a carport, garage, or metal building, you should click on subscribe and turn on notifications. That way you won't miss out on any important tips and advice from the metal building experts at Allen's Factory Outlet. Alright, now, a two-car carport is a covered structure that provides protection for two vehicles. But how should you pick the right one for you? Let's start with the types of carports that exist for two cars. There are two main types to consider: attached and detached carports. Each type has its own unique advantages, and it's important to consider your specific needs when choosing between them. An attached carport is connected to your home, usually next to an exterior wall. This type of carport is convenient for those who want easy access to their cars and prefer the carport to be close to their home. One of the main advantages of an attached carport is that it can provide some protection to your home from the weather. If your home has a western exposure, for example, an attached carport can help protect your home from the sun's rays, which can reduce your cooling costs during the summer months. A detached carport is a freestanding structure that can be placed anywhere on your property. This type of carport provides more flexibility in terms of location and can be more aesthetically pleasing. One of the main advantages of a detached carport is that it can provide more storage space than an attached carport. Since a detached carport is not connected to your home, it can be used for storing larger items like a boat, RV, or a trailer. It can also provide a separate area for outdoor activities, like barbecuing and entertainment, which is useful if you have a small backyard. So how to choose? There are several factors to consider. Convenience. If you want easy access to your cars, an attached carport may be the best option for you. However, if you have larger vehicles or want additional storage space, a detached carport may be the better choice. Another factor to consider is aesthetics. An attached carport can blend in with the style of your home, while a detached carport can be more visually appealing and provide a unique design element to your property. Additionally, a detached carport can be placed in a more strategic location to enhance the look and feel of your property. And of course, cost is another consideration. There is no right or wrong answer to that, simply because the cost can vary depending on the materials used and the size of the carport. Great. But why would you want to build a two-car carport in the first place? Here are three of the key benefits. Number 1. Protection from the elements. Whether it's rain, snow, or sun exposure, a carport offers a covered space for your vehicles. This helps to protect them from damage and reduces the need for costly repairs or maintenance. Additionally, a carport can help to prolong the life of your vehicles by shielding them from extreme temperatures and weather conditions. Number 2. Increased property value. Installing a carport is an affordable way to add an extra structure to your home, which can enhance the overall aesthetic appeal of your property. A carport can also increase the functional value of your property by providing additional storage space and protecting your vehicles. This can be particularly beneficial if you plan to sell your home in the future, as potential buyers may be more likely to consider a home with a carport. Number 3. Storage space. A two-car carport is particularly useful if you have limited space in your garage or no garage at all. A carport can be used to store lawnmowers, bicycles, gardening tools, and other outdoor equipment, freeing up space inside your home. Okay, now let's see the features to consider when choosing a two-car carport. We'll talk about three of them. Number 1. Size. A typical two-car carport is at least 20 feet wide by 20 feet deep. But you want to make sure that the carport is large enough to accommodate both of your vehicles comfortably. The size of the carport will depend on the size of your vehicles, as well as any additional space you may need for storage or other purposes. Consider measuring your vehicles and any equipment you plan to store under the carport to ensure that you choose a carport that is the right size for your needs. Number 2. Style. The style of your two-car carport is another important consideration. Carports come in a range of styles, from traditional to modern. Consider the architectural style of your home. Then choose a carport that complements it. A carport that is designed to blend in with the style of your home can enhance the aesthetic appeal of your property and add to its overall value. Number 3. Maintenance. Finally, consider the maintenance requirements of your two-car carport. While carports require less maintenance than garages, they still require some upkeep to ensure that they remain in good condition. This may include regular cleaning, painting, and occasional repairs. Choose a carport that is made of durable materials and requires minimal maintenance to ensure that it remains in good condition for many years to come. Now that you know the kind of carport you want and the features you need, we save the best for the end: the cost. One of the most attractive features of a two-car carport is that it can be an affordable alternative to building a garage. The cost of a two-car carport can vary depending on a number of factors. The main ones are the materials used, the size, and the type, attached or detached. Generally speaking, a basic two-car carport can cost anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000. However, more elaborate carports with custom designs and features can cost significantly more. Also, it's important to keep in mind that you will often have to bear the cost of installation. Depending on your level of DIY expertise, you may be able to install the carport yourself, which can save you some money. However, if you're not comfortable with DIY projects, you may need to hire a professional to install the carport for you. The cost of installation can vary depending on the complexity of the installation and the location of your home. At Allen's Factory Outlet, installation is free of charge. It's our way of helping you save time and money to get the best carport right away. Okay, you now have an idea of every aspect of your next two-car carport. If you want to get a carport for way less than most people pay, you should check out the prefabricated metal carports at Allen's Factory Outlet. We can help you save thousands of dollars. Whenever you're ready, visit our website at allensfactoryoutlet.com to start customizing your carport. There's a link in the description. We'll see you there.